Instagram, Facebook, haters going crazy, man. That's what happened. She was lying. She put my name in her mouth. She was lying and got caught. And ever since then, it's just been going downhill. So, well, I'll let you know how it's going. I'm sorry. I'll come to you today with a $20 cash flash. $20 cash flash. Ended up paying $100 at the at the Vons. Then I had this brother. I'm coming out. Can you buy me? Can I give you some money to do something? You can't give me no money to do nothing, brother. Ha ha ha. I was at the end of the night. Been working 12 hours. This black nigga talking a bunch of shit. Homeless guy running his mouth. Got his shirt off. Trying to look all buff. Don't fuck with me, bro. I ain't from Redlands. I'm from 385 East 116th Place, and I'm very tired. And I've been beat up before. I've been jumped by 5 or 6 people. So trust me, the way I'm feeling now with a crazy white woman saying, I'm scared of the black man. I'm in a very bad fucking mood, bro. So if you want to go somewhere, let's go. Let's go. I'm there. I was going out in my car, taking my time. We can go, bro. I'm down. Shit, I'm fine. I'm pissed off anyway. I'm ready to let off some steam. Fuck the gym. Let me beat up. Like, what is it? Black on black crime. Shit, the cops will let it happen, and then they'll walk off. So I whoop up on that ass. That big muscular chest. Oh man. So just wanted you guys to tell you. So what I learned today is you can make a sale without making a sale. Like Grant Cardone tells you. First, you promote. That's what I did earlier that morning. I was at work. Hey, just come this, do this, do this. Then people walking by the store. Then they go from promote to, hey, let's go into the sales process. Greet, qualify, demonstrate, the proposal, negotiate, close. I did that, so $30 worth of chocolate. I was in there, I practiced a Grant Cardone's do it anyway. He's like, oh, I like this kind of chocolate. I'm not sure what I want. I said, buy them all. And what did he do? He bought 4 different kinds of chocolate. I didn't try to convince him. Well, this is a bourbon chocolate. This one's a truffle. Well, this one's a chocolate with an espresso. I said, buy them both, man. Okay. That was it. And I had another guy today. He was looking at different handbags. One was $3,000, $4,000. Hey, man, why don't hey, I know you complaining about that $3,000, $4,000 bag. Here's one for $5,714. But this is a customized bag. You don't buy these bags because they make you look good. Man, you buying it from the girl because you going to get that pussy, bro. I'm with you, man. If it's worth it, get the bag, man. The bag is inconsequential to you getting off for the next 3 or 4 months, man. $5,714 bag for a 60-year-old guy like me and you to hook up with that 30, 25, 23, 24-year-old girl. Shit, buy the motherfucking bag, man. Buy the bag. Take out the check, man. So he almost did it, and then he kind of left. He may be there tomorrow. I'll let you guys know. But how to make the sale without the sale. Also, I had an employee, like she was selling some sunglasses. While she's selling sunglasses, now I don't have to be looking at her while she's selling. This ain't a Grant Cardone video. No, clean up the store, promote, let other people know, hey, this person's getting excellent customer service. If you come in the door, I'm going to give you excellent customer service. While the customer's at the counter, hey, I can clean up where this person's been working before, or I can talk to a client, a customer that came into the door, or neaten up the area to prepare for the never, like find a product for the customer that's checking out. A sale, making a sale without the sale is going to make you more powerful. Because then you have 5 or 6 people you don't talk to. Where did they go? Into your follow-up. Hey, welcome back. Hey, I saw you here before. Hey, what do you think? Hey, if things change. Hey. Or hey, you know what? Let me show you my new arrivals. Hey, I remember last time you said you were interested in this bag. You want to try it out? You'd like to take a picture of it and send that one to your wife. And I have some other similar bags here you maybe want to take a picture of. Tomorrow I have like some customers coming back, follow up for them. So just follow up. Most powerful thing you can do, follow up. And then I'm also learning number 2, to hit an objective. That's when follow up, you'll get the customer because you're going to have to hit them 5 or 6 times. Hit an objective is like when I say, when I get to the close, that's where I hit the problem. The close, okay, I want to buy it. Oh, okay, then. Well, how are we going to pay for this? Uh-oh. Gift card, credit card, call the host, call the wife, call the husband, call the mistress. I don't know. Call everybody but me because I ain't going to pay. So That's when it gets tricky because you got to hold the cell together. Like, okay, let me call the host. Host is not responding. Hey, even though the host may not cover this, hey, you want to just pay for this now, and then once you get in contact with the host, we can reimburse them for what we're going to do right now. Or yeah, hey, you have comp points and any other money you want to apply toward the purchase. So hey, even if they don't get the comp, hey, you may have some points, and you maybe have $500-600 in your wallet to knock this out. So hey, if the host doesn't call, is that going to stop us from making the sale? That's it. That's all I learned today. All right, guys, so check a look at my video. Help me get to, I need you guys to help me get to 120. If I get to 120 subscribers, I don't know. I'm going to go for 2 million. We're getting there, though. And go to 202BeToBroke.com. Objection journals going up to $289. $289 starting in September. Get yours. I have one journal for each month. I work 108 hours part-time. After I get home every night, I'll write down all the objections I get. Get that objection journal, man. Well, I'm getting teeth whitening, losing weight, doing sit-ups. You see me at the gym, legs lift, lifting my legs, doing the 35. You don't have to do any of that stuff with this sales job I'm going through just to go get the sales. Take what I learned and use it later.